We're gonna hit the jackpot, Suzanne. Let's do this. Don't worry, we won't be late.
I guess it is worth it. Then again, college is around the corner.
Now, is that a real drum solo or what?
Let's keep playing. I don't have much battery left.
No, we gotta head to class. Remember the test?
Okay, I'll call Buddy to pick us up.
Fine.
Excuse me, but I saw you across the corner. You know, you guys play this music pretty well. And, you know, I watch you from across the corner. Beautiful music, beautiful music. It's really pretty. I enjoy watching.
Do we know you from somewhere?
Well, actually, I got.
Wait, Buddy, wait!
Oh God. Oh.
I understand. Did you make any money?
Some creepy guy stole it. Son of a bitch!
Oh, big words, Iris. Well, you two better get to class. You're gonna have to take the test during your lunch.
Hey, how you doing? So, like, I heard you from around the corner. You know, you're sounding pretty good. I just want to say that you guys.
Excuse me? You gonna get out or what?
Oh, yeah. I'm broke, but I'll give you a tip next time. Thanks, buddy.
Okay.
The thing is, Cyrus, we got what we deserved. We were late.
Honestly, traffic was a pain in the ass. Ugh. And
And what?
hold on. I'll leave the instruments in the trunk. I have an idea. Trust me.
You need something?
Hey, buddy, do you like those instruments?
Wait, where did you get that money from? No, wait, Buddy! Wait! Wait! Shit! Did you really have to sell our instruments?
Well, if we can't use them to earn money, then why not sell them? At least we got 200 out of them.
Well, I guess we're getting closer to college now.
Can I stay here a while? We can study for the history test.
Sure.
So I guess we should study for that test.
Yeah, but I've been thinking about that one guy that stole our cash, actually.
He wasn't on my mind, actually.
Well, wait a minute. Stay here. I think he's a junior or senior, and I think I found him.
There. Larry Sanchez, Sr. Fuck. This was only a year ago.
I can't. What's up, buddy? Hey, buddy! Yo, how you doing? Oh, okay, look, I have a question for you. Do you remember those two girls on the plaza yesterday? Like Cyrus and Suzanne or something? Is that what their names were? Like I was wondering, like, do you know where they live and everything? Oh, okay, like I'm gonna tell you over here. They played really well, and I was wondering, like...
There was a student, Larry. I remember encouraging him to go to university as often as I could talk to him. He never really listened to me, and he should have. It might have put his path in a better place.
Oh, God. Oh.
A cautionary tale.
Born to slobs, no college but a state job. I like the music, so I tried to get a taste of it. I didn't quit, but at most times contented. The world lacked the dent I was supposed to make upon that shit. But here in Sacramento I fit, or at least it's easy pickings. A cheap house, some chickens, and plenty of friends to rock with. And maybe that's right at the heart. An easy trip to an open mic into which you can spit. And I've heard tell of it in many larger towns. You see competition compounded. A pay-to-play battleground